Hi, my name is Tâm. Today I'm talking about my occasional, special occasional. It's a birthday. Birthday are always the most special day of the year for me. The most memorable birthday were the day I turned 20. It was 2 years after I moved out from home. I live by myself and prefer this to keep my cycle small. So I didn't have any friend around. I already planned to celebrate the birthday alone. Maybe give myself a little treat to some good food and some wine. But my papa surprised when I opened the door. The room was filled with my closest friends, and one person who stood out from the crowd and were hosting the birthday cake were my best friend from here high school. They moved to another city after we graduated, so we haven't seen each other for quite a while. It was so overwhelmed with feeling that I couldn't help but burst into tears. And it turned out that my best friend planned the party with my sister, who had a special cake to my room. They invited my friend to a week before and spent the whole day decorating my room. It was that day that I realized how grateful I am to have all their wonderful people around. Thank you for listening.